pick and pull, round 4 for the Lightning. We're back. Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Third Coast OBS. Today I got some footage I want to show y'all of me going to the pick and pull. Turns out that the cowl that we removed in the last video was shot. There was a lot more rust than we'd originally thought on the backside. The painter said that even if he could get rid of that, there's such thin metal on that, there was going to be nothing left to work with. On top of that, there's 2 clips that kind of slide underneath towards your windshield. One of them was so rusted through it already broke. He could have maybe fixed it and put it on there, but it never would have been right. It made more sense to get a new one. Problem was, going online trying to find these things, they varied in price between $125 and $260. So let's check out the footage of me going there. Hope y'all enjoy it. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, the shirt? AggressorThread.com. Check my description below. They got some great old school, new school, Ford, Dodge, Chevy, and even patriotic t-shirts, merchandise. It's a great website. They've showed me a little bit of support. I want to show them some back. All right, let's jump into this video. Stick around to the end too, because we got a little bit of bonus footage of some stuff I got from my engine builder. Let's find one here. We're looking for a cowl. I'll go into detail about why. There's cats. That one ain't gonna work. Some miscellaneous parts. All right, we got our list. Let's go down it. That's 2 of them that they're totaled. So it's got a pretty good dent on that cowl, but it's salvageable. Broken bezel. Let's check these other ones. In fact, there's another one right there. Spray paint. This one's actually not bad. Not bad. Got a couple more to look at. while we're replacing ours, the whole back side of ours is so rusted out he can't shave it down, and this looks like it's getting the same stuff. See all this debris gets in there and just rots it out. If it had that, I would have thought about it. Oh wow. Really clean all the way up there. Flare side. That one's a bitch. I got one in the middle I can't even get to. Standing on a tire. Free. We're going to cut windshield wiper line. Short trip was exactly what we came for. When I get the other one back, I'll show. It was so rusted out back here. It was pitted. I didn't catch it on the other video. This one's not bad. Your tabs are good. We got a winner. It's hot. You see how much harder it is to take out with the hood on. You'd scratch up everything if you try to do that. And that windshield wiper there, completely demolished just like mine. Had to beat it, had to cut the camera because it was overheating. Just worked it, bent it up, slid it off. You saw how easy that one came off with the clip, slide it off. I didn't expect it to go that short, but we're out of here. We're gonna beat the traffic home. Catch you a little bit. All right, we definitely did good. We just got out. The cowl on eBay and through private sellers was like 160 bucks. We just paid $20 for that one we pulled. I'm sorry, we paid $11. $11.49 for this piece. Pretty good savings. marked me down for the wrong piece. Oh well, we're gonna better look at it when we get home. We're out, we're paid. I had to change shirts, it's 1,000 degrees. See y'all in a little bit. So there we go. This is what we ended up saving. The back side here, like I told you, is where all the damage was at on my original cowl. This little clip was rusted through, broke off, and this was so ate up with rust that there was actually nothing left. It went all the way through this whole arch, and even the this tab on my Lightning one was so messed up it wasn't gonna last. This one's not perfect, but it has zero signs of rust compared to mine, and anything that is crooked they will be able to salvage. Very much worth the, what would I tell y'all, $17. So on the way back I decided to go by the engine builder just to check and see how things are going. They've had a little bit of a bad run with people getting sick, and they have a lot of work, but the engine is bored and honed. It's sitting there ready to go. They're going to start putting it together hopefully soon, but it all depends on where I fall into this line. What they ended up giving me back though was some of the material that they were going to throw away. I wanted to see it. We ended up with the old oil pan. We're not going to reuse this. Lots of grime. Some metal shavings in here. I'm not sure if that's probably whenever they were doing machine work, but it was sludged up bad. We also got what I thought was kind of cool. Old cam. It's been sitting out here. It's got a little bit of rust on there, but we kind of get to see the wear patterns and where things were kind of breaking down on it. Some weird spots on here. That's 189,000 miles on the original cam. Some odd markings all the way throughout it, especially on these here. The other miscellaneous stuff we got was like our pistons. As you can see, we're starting to see copper up on our bearings. Let's see if I can get in there. It's hard to get the light right. Each one of them had a nice wear mark on the top, all 8 of them. Pistons didn't look too bad, they didn't look too good, but again, it's from 1993. It had 189,000 hard miles put on it. The old pickup tube. A little bit of grime, sludge. A lot of this orange paint. I don't know what that was from. She definitely needed a little love. Again, like I said, each piston. Was getting close. The all original Ford parts, but she was showing her age, that's for sure. Each one of these pistons pretty much looks the same. It's nice to see the just a little bit of what happened inside the engine. Kind of makes you feel a little bit better about spending the money, because you know it definitely was getting older. Timing. There's our timing chain. Definitely need a little bit of love. So we got that. Oh, we even have our timing cover. Oil filter housing. Tons of this silicone. Coolant. That's good. It's just really neat to get to actually put my eyes on these older parts. A little bit of history laying here in a big old pile, isn't it? Thank you all for sticking with me to the end of this one. Please check the description below. Aggressive Threads, great merchandise, and a bunch of good channels down there. Everybody in my description has supported me in some way. I want to show them some love back. I'll catch y'all next time though. Bye bye.